Hey, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to cover some table calculations. Specifically it is for the Windows function in the Tableau. So we are going to cover what is the window max, window mean, and window sum, and how we can use this function to make our visualization better. So I have the sample superstore dataset over here, and now I'm going to explore the Windows function. So watch this video till the end so that you will get very good understanding and will understand the significance of the Windows function in the data visualization. Alright, so let's say we have a sales over here, and we want to calculate the annual sales for the sample superstore data. So we have the date field. Let's say we have the order date like this. Let me convert this to bar chart. So we have the sales across all the year. Let me make it for the months. Sales across all the year and month. Okay, now we will try to see Windows max function, and we will try to see the what is the maximum sale across all the year. Okay, so for that we will create a calculated field here, and I'll name it as TC sum of Windows max and sum of sales. All right, so this is our Windows max function, and under this we are telling calculated field to do it with the sum of the cell. I will hit on apply and then OK. Now I will drag this and put that into the tooltip. Okay, now we have the tooltip, and if I hand over to the sales bar chart, I'll see the TC max cell is showing into the tooltip, which is nothing but $118,000. Then it is same across the year. If you see, it is same across all the year. That means this calculation is taking the data across the table and calculating the max cell happened. Okay, now we have to see this for each year independently. For that we will right click on this tooltip and we'll go to compute using and then pane across. So in the pane across, nothing but this for each year we have different pane. So we have total 4 pane, and this function will be calculate max for each pane. So if you see here, if I hand over, now I have the max sales 81,777 for the 2016, then it is 75,973 for 2017, and respectively 2018 and for 2019, right? So this is how we can use the Windows max function. Now similarly we will calculate the Windows min. So that will be as same as we calculated the Windows max. So window min sum of sets. Okay, now here we have the Windows min, and then we are going to drag that to tooltip. same. So here also we have the Windows min, which is again calculated across the table, and now we will change that to the pane across like this. So now we have the Windows max and Windows min. So we can create the range of cells across the year by using the Windows max and Windows min. So what we can do, TC max minus TC min. I'll hit on apply and OK. So now we have a range. I'll change this to the discrete now, and then I'll put it in between the year and month. So here you can see we are getting the difference between the maximum cell and the minimum cell over here. So we are getting the range in nutshell for that particular year. Similarly for all. So we can make changes into the format so that it would be easy. So we can make it as currency, Indian currency, and I think that looks good enough. And make it little bold, right? So this is how we can calculate the range. So this technique is very useful when you are creating a dashboard. All right, now we will calculate the percent of the cells compared to the total cells. So that we will create the calculated field and say TC underscore percent of cells. So to calculate the percent of cell, we have to divide the sum of cells divide by maximum the total cell. So for that we will first calculate the sum of cells across the year. So TC dot sum of cells would be like Windows sum and sum of cells. Apply. Okay, we'll drag that to tooltip here, and here now we have the sum of cells, and we will calculate it by using the pane across like this. All right, now we have the sum of the cells across the whole year. Now we will calculate the percentage of cell. TC underscore percent of cells. So this would be like sum of cells divided by TC sum of cell. So basically this sum of cell refer to entire sum of the cell, and this sum of cell refers to entire sum of cell for a particular year. So if I hit on apply, hit on OK, and now if I drag this over here, and not here, I will have to first make the format change of this because this is percentage. So first we will go to the number properties, number format, percentage, OK, and then we will go to tooltip like this. So if you see here, we are getting the percentage of the cell pane across, and if you want to make it more interesting, you can enable the titles for it like this. All right, so this looks pretty interesting, beautiful, and you can make it little bit in more interesting like this, I'll make it as dual axis. I'll hide this. Dual axis, then hide this. And now in the color I'll border it in a border like this, and you can play around with it like whatever you like to do. So this looks pretty interesting, right? So that is the cosmetic part, that no need to focus on that for now. So guys, if I make it as a full screen, so now you can utilize your Windows function knowledge on visualization and you can create something interesting like this. Okay, so let's apply the mean lines, like some analytics, like we can add some average line over here. And what we can do, we can do some play around with this. So I can hit on Windows min and I can change this line style to green or red. Hit on OK, and if you see this looks more interesting. I'll make it little bit easy to read. Then again I'll create another line, average line, edit. This will be for Windows Max, line will be a green, and yeah, I think this looks pretty good now. All right, yeah, so this is how you can create the visualization and utilize your knowledge on the Windows functions. So hope you found this video useful. Hit a thumbs up button and do let me know if you have any suggestions on the top of it, and you have any question, doubt, you can feel free to ask into the comment box. I'll try to answer it. So till then, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.